Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix camera autofocus not working issue in iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So guys, if you're expressing issues with the camera autofocus not working on your iPhone 15 series, you can try some troubleshooting step to resolve this issue. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. First of all you have to do is clean the camera lens. Dust, fingerprint or any other particle on the camera lens can interfere with autofocus. Use a microfiber cloth to gently clean the lens. Make sure there are no obstructions. If it still doesn't work, then you have to do is restart your iPhone 15. Sometimes software glitches can affect the camera performance. Restart your iPhone to refresh the system. To do this you have to open your settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Scroll down, then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is check for software updates. Ensure that your iPhone software is up to date. Go to your settings, go to general, go to software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone 15. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After updating to the latest version of iOS and you're still facing the autofocus issue, then you have to do is close background apps. Running multiple apps in the background can consume system resources and affect camera performance. Close unnecessary apps by swiping up from the bottom of your screen and swipe them away. After this, then you have to do is check for hardware issue. If none of the software solution work, there may be a hardware issue with the camera model. Contact Apple Store or visit an Apple Store or an authorized service provider for further assistance and potential repair or replacement. If you check this and there is no hardware issue, then you can do is reset all settings on your iPhone. If the issue persists, you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. This won't erase your data but will reset all settings including camera settings to their default. To do this, you have to open your settings, tap on general, scroll down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.